Okay guys, welcome to Smart People. This is the only channel we do it the smart way, right in the comfort of our home. Once we have phone, we have laptop connected to the internet, guys, we are making money the smart way with a lot of genuine platforms and opportunities. Guys, today I want to do this very quickly for Spartans in the AAS community, okay, especially those who are eligible for withdrawals. You know, withdrawal has started today and people are complaining that they make withdrawal, the fund is not hitting their Binance account and all that. So there's this new update that I'm doing this video to help the community with. Okay, now if you look at the number 2 of my platform, my info here, it says those of you using Binance and Remitino wallets are advised to generate new wallet addresses to replace the ones you have saved on your AAS accounts before attempting to withdraw. AAS will not be liable for loss of funds as a result of non-compliance. Ensure that you have a minimum of. So just because of this, I want to do this video. You know, some months ago, I think 2, 3, or 4 months ago, Binance have started giving emails that people should change their wallet addresses, especially the Tron wallet addresses for transactions. Okay, so if you have a new wallet address on AAS and now that you have to change, you don't change it, your funds may get lost, okay, and AAS will not be held liable. It's not any issue of AAS, okay. This is your exchange announcement, okay. But I would advise that whether you have that email or not, generate a new wallet address, okay, to update what you have there, whether it's the same thing or a new thing. I mean, you don't lose anything, okay. So to be at the safer side, whether you have that email from Binance or not, just generate a new wallet address, use to update what you have there so that you be at the safer side. So that's what I'm going to do this video quickly to cover, so that we can do all we can, so that we stay out of problems. So the first thing you need to do, you need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to take you step by step how to do that successfully. Okay, so the first thing you do is log into your Binance account. Okay, so let's do that right away. All right, so guys, I'm here in my Binance. I'm authenticating it. Let's wait for it patiently to authenticate. Oh, so I'm in my Binance now. So once you are there, just click on wallet. Okay, at the down left side of your phone, you see wallets. Click on wallets. Okay, then at the top here you see funding. I need you to click on funding. Then I allow it time to load. All right, so once you are there, just click on deposit. Okay, click on deposit. Deposit, choose USDT. Okay, that's the currency we are using, so click on USDT right there. If it's not there, you need to search it in your search engine. Okay, but once you have it, just click on it and then you will see the deposit USDT. Now it will choose the network for you. I mean, it will open the networks for you. We are using Tron TRC20. Okay, this is our network, so you need to scroll to get to that one and then select it or click on it. Okay, right, you see it will display your address for you. Okay, either your QR code or your wallet address. We are not using QR code, we are using wallet address. This is mine right here. So all you need to do is to click on this copy symbol right by the address. It will now copy your address. It will tell you wallet address copied. Here you have to minimize this page and then now go log into your AAS account. So let's do that together. Okay, so I'm in my AAS account now. So once you are there, just click on these 3 horizontal lines at the top here. That's the menu. Click on it and then you need to choose profile. Okay, choose profile right here. So click on profile. So once you do that, it will open all it will open your profile for you. This is the old address I have here. That's what I'm coming to change. So what you do is click on this one that says change wallet address. Click on it. Then where you have new wallet address, you paste the wallet address you copy from your Binance platform. Just highlight and paste it here. Then click on this one that says get code. Okay, the system will send, because it needs to be sure it is you. Okay, now you need to take note of this. Code expires in 10 minutes, so you need to be fast about that. So click on get code, then the system will send the code to your email. So we go to your my email to get that code and fix here. So let's do that. Right, so I'm in my email now. You can see the message here from Afrique JM arbitrage system. So all you need to do is to open the email. Okay, for confidentiality's sake, I'm going to do that for you. You click on that one, it will open the email. Then this is the code you are supposed to send. Okay, yours will be different from here, from mine, sorry. So just highlight it and copy that code, and then you now move back to the AAS platform and insert the code here where it says enter code. Just highlight and put the code there, and then click on click on update wallet. Now the resend code here, in case you don't receive the code after some minute, that's when you will use that button. But I have received the code, so I will only have to click on this one that says update wallet. So you click on it after inserting the code, then wait for it patiently. It will tell you wallet address successfully updated. Wallet address updated successfully. So guys, that is it. You are done. You are done. So from here you can now go ahead and then initiate your withdrawal, okay, without any problem. Now this is smart people. If you like the video, all you need to do is to click on that subscribe button to be part of us. You can also share the video, like it and share it for people who might need it, okay? And if you are the type that likes to make money online, you need to be part of this channel by clicking on that subscribe button, because that is what we do. Now after you are done successfully, I think AAS should give you another mail to tell you that your wallet address has been successfully changed. I think I have an email. Let's go and see what it is there. Okay, so that is it. Give you another email. This is wallet address changed. Your wallet address was for AAS changed successfully. AAS team. So guys, it is as simple as that. You need to follow that simple steps and then do it so that you don't have any problem in the future. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you, and I'll see you at the top. I will put my Telegram link in the description of the video. You can join my Telegram group where we talk about AAS and other legitimate online platforms that we make business or we make money from. All right guys, thank you. I'll see you. Bye bye.